She is my counterpart. We work hand in hand together and we share a birthday. And just an amazing person. You should really get to know. She handles all of your requests, problems, can answer anything. So today we are going to do this together and answer all of the questions we hope that you have about HeyGen and making your experience a better one. So a couple of things I should mention. Definitely make sure you fill out the form. There's going to be a link that's dropped in several times during this webinar. And if you could fill out that form, we want to make sure you get credit. We are going to give each account that stays till the end 5 credits. So you will get 5 credits on your account. Please make sure you fill out that form. And I think that's it. So let's get started. Let's start talking. Hi, Joy.
Hi, Kat. Thanks for having me. And I'm really glad to have this opportunity to sharing some live demo with our HeyGen community. Yeah, because
Great.
for us, we very hope to get close to the market, to the clients, and also gather the feedback and the questions from the clients, and also to improve our product. So I'm really glad to join this live demo.
Awesome. Yeah, you've taught me everything I know. So I already know that you know as much as any person could. So let's get started with some basics because this is a 101. And I'm assuming that a lot of people in the audience maybe don't know how to use HeyGen and how to get started having a really great experience. So how do people usually start creating content using HeyGen?
Yeah, I can start from like the how to get started with HeyGen because
Perfect.
HeyGen is a AI video creation platform. So we are trying to use generative AI to help people to make content in a very fast and easy way. So I
Mhm.
think you always can have 2 ways to starting with your content. Maybe I can just share my screen to give a lab demo, and it will be much easier to get the content. Yeah, so I will just try to share my screen, and could you see my screen now?
Yeah, I see it perfectly.
Uh-huh. Yes, sure. So once you get login to the HeyGen, you really can see this homepage. So you will have 2 ways to starting to create a video. The first way is you always can starting from a templates. So if you go to our templates page, it will have like different use cases. So you can based on your use case and to select a virtual design and starting from a templates. So for example, we will have the learning and development templates, explainer video templates, and also some templates fit for social media. And also there is another way you can starting from your video creation is you can always pick some of the avatars to starting that. So if you see here is our avatar library. So you can like starting from using a talking photo or a light version avatar or the like pro version avatar because this kind of avatar is in 4K resolution and in much more professional style. So sometimes if you are making a corporate training video, learning and development video, you will like choosing this kind of Avatar Pro. But if you are making a more choral style content and share to the social media, maybe this light version avatar will be good. So and in my page, because this is my account, so you will see like here is some avatar. This is our co-founder and CEO Joshua, and here is some of his avatar.
Hey, welcome to HeyGen. This is Josh, HeyGen CEO. This is my instant avatar. Feel free to play with it.
So you will see some of the avatar on your page. So this is like the 2 typical way you will like starting with HeyGen.
Awesome. That sounds good. So somebody in the audience asked if Joy was an avatar. She is not. She is a real life twin, and but she's not an avatar. So that's one question down. Okay, so creating your first video using HeyGen and using our new updated script feature. Can you show us that?
Oh yeah, sure.
Great.
I will share my screen again, so you can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So I want to very highlight and introduce a new feature. We call it script generative AI. So we
Mhm.
also call it AI script writer. So we integrate GPT-4 to our product to help people to make sure the entire workflow for creating a video can be used on HeyGen. So because we know once we create a video, we usually will starting from the ideation part. So you will want to like have some like very good video ideas to be start. And based on that idea, we also can call it topic, and you can start to generate an outline. And based on that outline, you can like generate the entire video script. So that is why we hope this kind of ideation part and video and script part can be also included to our product. So if you see this feature, you can always starting from a topic. For example, maybe we can try how can we use AI to make a marketing video.
Okay.
Okay, and for output language, you can choose whatever language you want. I think now we support like more than 40 different languages. And for the tone, maybe I will like to try friendly. And also here you can like write some additional information. And then you can just click this generate button, and you see like the magic happens. It will have help you to generate a video script. So you can see the details of that. And for the structure, you will see like it can be generated for different thing. That means once you create a video, you can based on the each thing to using a talking avatar to to present all the script. So for example, once I get the script, you can just click create a video. So oh, you can see like all this script will just go to the script text box, and for each thing you will see uh, this kind of script. And for here you can based on the script to do some minor editing. And also you can for example to choose your own avatar or some stock avatar here to make an entire video, and also like do some editing here. So this is the feature I really hope to highlight
Okay.
for this demo. Yeah. Mhm.
Nice. Okay, so let me think. Let me go. Let's discuss some of the other capabilities, the AI capabilities that HeyGen offers, because there's a lot of different things, and I feel like
Mhm.
most people, they know about the translation, they know about avatars, but maybe they don't know about some of the smaller things and the integrations that we have. So
Yeah, I think it's a very good question because also I think our product grows and develop very fast. So for some minor update, we may not like have a big announcement. So some
mhm.
of the like small feature like the audience do not know. So maybe I can show some of the small feature, but I think it's very useful for the content creation and to highlight that part. So once you know that, it will be like very helpful and efficient to help your content creation. So I just hope to highlight some AI capacity. So first
Great.
one I have mentioned is AI script writer. So this will be help you to do the like the script writing part. And also because we have a feature called talking photo, so you can always like to using AI to generate your talking photo. So, for example, this button is in the avatar page. Here you can see like generative talking photo. So you can just click here to create your own talking head. For example, you can like start from we have it really like you have a conversation with AI, so you can like you really type some prompt. For example, we also have some stock prompt to give you some instruction, so you can have a try. And you can like click generate, and it usually takes like 50 to 30 seconds to generate an image. So we can wait to see the generative talking photo. Yeah, you'll see like they can like help you to generate some style photo, and you can like pick up which one you like, you prefer, and you can just click save. So in that case, this picture will like save to your own like talking photo library. So you can use create a video like using this talking photo. So for talking photo, you can also like choose the talking photo style. For example, you hope the talking video will be more stable or more expressive. You can choose a different style, and also you can like choose it maybe be more happy, because we also like receive some response from our customers. They hope their avatar looks much include much more smiling face, so you can
Right.
choose this happy style. And then you can like also for example to yeah, and also you can try to remove the background of the avatar. But this is also an AI feature. We call it AI matting. So, for example, because it's include a background, but sometimes you do not like that background, or you will like just adding this talking photo to an existing slide. Maybe you can just like remove the background of this talking photo. So maybe I can just using this script to like generate a video, and we can see the result. Yeah, but sometimes we will wait a little bit, but I can introduce more the AI feature, some small minor feature here. And for here, because I mentioned for avatar light, if you see here, by default, the avatar light will with a background. For example, if you see here, um, sorry. Yeah. So if you see here, this is a stock avatar light in our avatar library. It will always have a background, but what we do, we have the AI mapping feature here, so you can using this feature to remove the background. So in that way, it will be much more flexible if you want to change some like background for the video. So and another, I think, very interesting feature is you can always try to create your own video templates, because we know if you are like make video content at scale, sometimes you may can just based on your some brand style or some your own customizable templates. So you can always create your own customizable templates, and then for each time you can using this template to like doing some minor changes and to make the content in the same tone. Yeah, this is some minor, I think, very useful feature for the content creation.
Awesome. I'm going to answer a couple of questions that I actually can answer. Somebody's asking if they're able to translate in Hindi, and the answer is yes. You're able with both video translation, and you're able with our regular avatars as well. So you're able on all levels to translate in Hindi. And actually a few people asked if they create photos in Mid Journey, are they able to upload them and into talking photo. And again, the answer is yes, you can do that. And you should do that. It's fun. It's a great way to get started using the product. So yeah, definitely do it. If you want to get started and have the easiest experience, that will definitely be it. Okay, so I answered two questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so next up, let's talk about, of course, we recently, for anybody that doesn't know, we recently launched a video translation feature that has gone
Mhm.
viral. The whole world is talking about it. It's amazing. So basically, you can upload a video in English, in my case, and you can convert it into another language. Now, so far, we have 13 languages. We recently added Mandarin and Japanese, which were really, really in demand. So I can upload a video in English and it'll take about 5 minutes to translate. And then I'll be speaking perfect Japanese in my voice. So this is why it's become viral. It's as lifelike as anything you can imagine. So it's very, very exciting. I'm going to stop talking. Joy, can you talk to us some more about maybe some future things that might be on the roadmap
Mhm.
that you can share?
Yeah. I'm very glad to talk about these topics for video translation because
Mhm.
recently we also like discuss with lots of our customers. They are very like excited for that feature because for video translation, you can just easily upload your video content and click and select like target language, and then we can do the voice cloning part and also the lip syncing part for translate the entire video. And I think I will do a live demo for that for the video translation. And also I just hope to provide some information for our roadmap is currently we just launching that feature for 2 weeks, and we got lots of like very positive feedback. So I think the team was very are very actively working for develop this feature. So nowadays we have like supported 13 different languages, and I think in at the October and November we will continue adding different languages to the library, and
Mhm.
also we will have launching some team feature for business. For example, because nowadays you can just like upload a 5 minutes video and translate it. But I think for support much more business use case, we will like have the capacity to support much longer duration video. And also for example, you can like just upload a branch of video because we talk to some customer, maybe they from learning and development or some marketing use case. They hope to translate their content into several different languages, and they already have a branch of content. So I think for this kind of business use case, we will have much more capacity to help them to translate the video in a more accurate way and also have much more efficient speed. And also, I think for nowadays, the video translation is without an editing feature. So you can just get the result. But what on our roadmap is we will be like include that editor to the video translate. So once you, before you get the final result, you can like editing the translation part, and then
Mhm.
you can get the final result to make sure it's be more accurate. Yeah, I think I can also share my screen. Yeah, to
Perfect.
introduce this feature more. So and also I think for HeyGen, if you log into this page, it's our main product. So the video translation feature is located in here. If you see this tab, HeyGen Labs, so you can click here, HeyGen Labs, and you will see lots of different explorations for us. For example, the first one is video translation, and we also do the integration with Canva. We have the apps on Canva, and we have GPT plugin and some fee swap, some additional functions maybe I can introduce later. But the highlight part is this video translation feature. So I'm sorry, have a little bit background noise. So if you see here, like the video translator, you will always see this is a UI for this function. So you can drop or upload your original video, and then here has a detailed instruction for what kind of input video you can upload and what kind of output languages you can get. So now we have support like um, more than eight. Oh, sorry, we have currently support 30 different languages, and there have some instructions for what kind of video you can upload. So I just using our co-founder and CEO's avatar video to translate into 30 different languages. Maybe we can try to see some of them. I'm not sure for the audience if your mother language is some of the languages. You can also give us the feedback whether you think it's good or not, because the original video is by English and I try to translate it into 30 different languages. Maybe we can start to her. Kat, could you pick up one? I can just play it.
Yeah, I don't know. Pick that one, the fourth one.
The fourth one, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try to play it.
Hallo, ik ben Joshua, medeoprichter en CEO van HeyGen. We zijn gepassioneerd over het doorbreken van taalbarrières en het verbinden van de wereld via innovatieve technologie. Wat je nu ziet, is mijn avatar. Ik gebruik onze videovertaalfunctie om deze video in 13 verschillende talen te vertalen. Wat vind je van deze mogelijkheid?
Yeah, I'm not sure if the audience is somebody can speak these languages and can tell us whether it's accurate, and we are actively hope to get the feedback and to optimize this feature.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Somebody's asking Portuguese, Spanish, or French. Yes, we support all three.
Yes,
Next.
I think so.
Yeah. If you have a question that we can't answer, because obviously we're not going to be able to answer every single question, please feel free to send a message to contact@heygen.com. You can also send me a message. It's cat@heygen.com. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to get your answer for you. You can reach out to us on social media. There's all kinds of different venues. So, okay. Thank you for showing that. That was amazing. It's really exciting. We have so many things coming up that, of course, we can't share with you, so you'll have to stay tuned. And again, I just want to remind you, please fill out the form. Joy's going to drop the link into the conversation. Please make sure you fill out that form so that you get your 5 credits. We want you to get them. And again, please, let me look at some of these questions. Here we go. And another thing we should mention, we do have a Discord channel. Please go and look for it. We have a huge community on the Discord channel. So definitely join up. There's some special things going on. There's contests going on. There's different types of conversations and a lot of really great content creators on Discord. So please join that if you are on Discord, if you'd like to get involved. We also have a huge Facebook group. And it has 23,000 people. There's always somebody there that can answer a question, including Dean, who's on here right now. He is one of our admins, and he's amazing. He's always there to help answer any questions. So please, any questions you have that we haven't answered, feel free to get in touch with us, send an email. We're happy to answer, especially if it's specific to your case. We can't really answer that here because we need a little more information and we don't want you sharing your email address publicly. So Joy, thank you so much for filling in for Josh. Yeah, you're amazing. Thank you so much. We will see you guys next week. Again, reach out to us, social media. You can find me everywhere. I'm everywhere. Joy's everywhere, and we're happy to answer your questions. So thank you. Have a good week, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.